Today I'm going to show you how to install a stud the easy way. But first, you need a stud and two nuts. One goes on top of another. So the usual method is that you use two wrenches to tighten the nuts together. When the nuts and the stud is assembled, you can use it as an ordinary bolt. After you have screwed in the stud, you just need to release the nuts. Hold one with a wrench and just release another. Now, when they're free, it's just as simple to get them off. But now the easy way. The easy way is to use a cordless drill with a special adapter. Attach the socket to the adapter. Screw the stud in a little bit. Put on the nuts. Use a wrench to hold one nut in place. Tighten the nuts and off you go. And to release the nuts, just reverse the drill. Hold one of the nuts. And now we can get both of the nuts out at the same time. Easy, simple, effective.